Hello and welcome to e-learning. Today we will discuss about our neighboring countries. Do you know the meaning of neighbor? Neighbor is a person living next door or adjacent. Now the question arises, who are neighbors of India? Which are the countries that lies adjacent to India? Let's see the map and try to recognize our neighbor. Before seeing the map, let's know about the boundary of India. India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometer, while its coastal boundary including island is 7,516 kilometer. Now what is coastal boundary? Coastal boundary starts from Gujarat in the west and in the east from West Bengal and extend till Tamil Nadu. It also includes our island boundary, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island in the east and Lakshadweep Island in the west. Now starting from north, this is the map of India, and we will start from north and let's see the neighboring countries of India. Starting from north, we can see three countries. They lies in northeast: China, Nepal and Bhutan. These are the three countries which lies in northeast. Now move to eastern side of India. We can see only two countries. First is Bangladesh, which is surrounded from three sides by India, and Myanmar. Bangladesh shares largest boundary with India. So the largest boundary India shares with Bangladesh. Now let's move towards west and see which are the neighboring countries of India. In the west, we can see only two countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan is the country which touches only Jammu and Kashmir state of India. So Afghanistan shares shortest boundary with India. India has shortest boundary with Afghanistan. Now let's move to south. In the southern side, we can see there are two countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka in the southeast and Maldives in the southwest. These are the two countries which are the neighboring countries of India. But these are the countries which are the water bordering country. They don't touch the land of India, land territory of India, but they are the water bordering country because these two countries lies in Indian Ocean. So through the map, we can see we have seven neighboring countries: China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh, Myanmar in the east, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, and two water bordering country, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Let us understand this through points. India shares its border with 7.7 countries. These seven countries are China, Nepal, Bhutan to the north, Myanmar, Bangladesh to the east, Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest. And let's come to water boundary country. Water boundaries countries are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka to the southeast and Maldives to the southwest. Which country has longest boundary with India? I've already discussed Bangladesh. Which country shares shortest boundary with India? Afghanistan. As you can remember, Afghanistan only touches Jammu and Kashmir states. Only it touches on the tip. So it shares the shortest boundary with India. Now have some extra point or extra marks. India has third largest international border in the world after China and Russia. So this was the short introduction about our neighboring countries. I hope you all understand it well. Share and discuss with your friend and have happy learning.